Hey guys, in a recent video we've been looking at how to use the guitar to understand music theory, and it's located right here. In that video we basically looked at how to go from the C chromatic scale to the C major scale, and thus go from any starting note to its chromatic scale and to its major scale. But we can also use this same idea of working with the guitar in a single scale to figure out how the minor scales work as well. So if we know the C major scale, it's really easy to make the C minor scale if we know the clues. And the clue is we're going to flatten the third, the sixth, and the seventh notes. So while that's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, we can also call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to C as the eighth note. And so all we're going to do is flatten the third by moving it down one fret, the sixth, and the seventh. What does that look like? As easy as that. And so that gives us a really quick tool for getting any minor scale from the major scale pattern that we already know. So if we wanted to do this in the key of G, for instance, the G minor scale, just like that. And we can do that with any note as our starting point. We know that's the A note. Oops, I was doing the major scale there. And we're in business. So we can go from our major scales to the minor scale with just one pattern. Something to keep in mind is that that minor scale is also a mode. You'll hear about modes from lots of different guitar sites. Modes are basically just a different way of working with our major scale. And so our C scale, again, major, that would be our Ionian mode. If we go to its minor scale, this would be the note pattern for its Aeolian mode, or the minor scale. And you'll notice we're just worried about the first 8 notes from the one octave to the next octave. And that single octave is all we're going to worry about. We're trying to make music theory as straightforward and as easy to follow as possible. So we're not going anywhere beyond just that first octave. So that's our basic shift from the major scale to the minor scale, and a little bit of a sampling of the idea of modes. Hope you found this interesting. Take care.